Okay, I'm not sure if I recorded my other section, so I'm going to say hi anyway, because if I didn't, then I just jump into this without saying hi to you guys. So hi. If we missed it, then I'm starting on my eyebrows, then I'll go to my eyes and then my face. Just to charm in, I recorded a footage of me doing my eyebrows, but I guess that was missing in action. I thought I recorded it, but I did not. So the eyebrow clip is missing. So we'll just roll with it. Shorty is happily cleaning her eyebrows with concealer. A lot of people ask me, what are you doing in this at this part? It's cleaning it up, because without me cleaning it up, it looked jacked up. Don't mind me. Still cleaning it up. And Miss Concealer is coming in to bring out the pigment in every eyeshadow that is placed on the eyes. To make my concealer stable, because I do not want any movement.
I mean, don't get me wrong, but what happened? Or was I not the one you dreamt of? No, 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 'cause the life we live will never be enough. Why don't you stop for a minute? Just relax yourself. This moment will never come back again. It's sad you never thought I was good enough, but I called you Asia Kingdom and it's all a bluff. It's all a bluff. It's all a bluff. It's sad you never thought I was good enough, but I called you Asia Kingdom.
There's something in the air.
Same to the other side. Just remember, whatever you do to one side, you want to do to the other side. Well, try your best to do to the other side. Usually things never match anyway, but that is the concept. that black brush from earlier and just blend it in. You can go as far as you want to. You're not doing anything different. We're just taking the brushes that we use already and just blending it in. No need to add any product, but if you want to, go ahead. It's your creation.
So extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my, all back.
So with a liner of your choice, go ahead and line your eyes.
I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. You'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead.
Look,
we could go on.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves, and I'm knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone, in the presence I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh, you something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress it, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weather. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends, know you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
You highlight your face to bring light to places that you want light to shine. That's what highlighting is all about. Shine a light on him. Oh, shine a light on him. Okay, now stop, because we're contouring right now, and this one is to bring shadows. I think it's to bring shadows. I don't know. To bring back the colors in your face, I usually say.
And if I do, I be real with them. Chase a dream, that's a meal ticket. ISO gang, yeah, they still with us. I put it in motion, they got me steady. Thoughts on my mind, it's weighing heavy. Watch how I shine, tell them I'm ready. I'm hitting my stride, let's get to the Fetty. I was just sitting back watching them fold. Racks on me now, yeah, it's looking swole. I hold it down and I got my own. Keeping it grown, we back to the bone. Yeah, flying flashy, ayy, ayy. We too fancy, ayy, ayy. Can't walk past me, ayy, ayy. Right up your alley, wait. I gotta play it safe. Watch me isolate, watch me isolate, ayy. Watch me isolate. Whoa. Clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trending topic.
I'm a mess. Don't know how I got here, but I'm blessed. Didn't know it'd take me past my destiny. You're behind me with the rest, 'cause I'm a mess. No more you.
And I go home. You said things could only get better. I needed more than ever. They don't. How can I believe you when everything is see-through? Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. How can I believe it when everything is see-through? You see through. Gotta make space for the new you, like I'm old news in your review mirror. It must be nice you went and got a penthouse. All your friends partying is real loud. Brand new money with a brand new chest. Still a baby bird price straight off the nest like you.
You can tap it off with any lip of your choice. And that is it. Thank you for watching. See you another time.
You're moving me in all the right way, waiting for the signal, speeding like there ain't no stop sign.